Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Starting off with the alerts issued by the South African Weather Service for today, and we have two watches, the first of which is for the likelihood of severe thunderstorms developing over the eastern escarpments, including parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. And the second watch is for the possibility of heavy rainfall today taking place over the eastern Free State, where more than 50 millimetres will be possible. Now, over the southwestern corner of the country, we're still expecting it to be fairly cloudy, and along with that, there could be a few showers in places across this area, particularly for the first half of the day. Otherwise, showers and thunder showers expected across the northwest, the Free State, and extending towards the eastern coastline, spreading northwards towards Gauteng and Mpumalanga later on. Gradual clearance will take place later over the western parts, and we're expecting things to clear up over Bloemfontein by this evening. Now, taking a look at the rainfall map, and there we can see the showers that are still expected over the west coast, spreading quite far inland, but gradual clearance will also take place in this region. A little bit of light rain may spread along the southern coastline this evening, including for George and Plettenberg Bay. Scattered showers and thunder showers extend from the northwest into Gauteng, the Free State, and all the way through to Durban along the eastern coastline. Isolated thunderstorms possible for some parts of Limpopo, much of Mpumalanga, and the far northeastern corner of KwaZulu-Natal. Maximum temperatures today are going to be quite high across the northern parts of South Africa, and particularly in the Lowveld, where many areas will reach the mid-30s. A warmer day expected in KwaZulu-Natal, where Pietermaritzburg gets to 29, and it's going to be a cooler day on the other hand onto the Highveld, where temperatures will peak in the mid to lower 20s because of the cloud cover and the very high probability of rainfall. In the west, things remain quite mild, mid to lower 20s for many places, Sutherland just reaching the 20-degree mark. Along the west coast, we're expecting light to moderate winds across this area, generally coming in from the southwest. Low swells also in the forecast. And as we head further southwards, we're expecting light westerly flow from Cape Town through to Hermanus, but fresh to strong winds are expected around Cape Agulhas, and that area will also see elevated swells reaching just above 3 metres, particularly in the late afternoon and this evening. Along the southern coastline, we're expecting light winds at first. The winds will become fresh to strong at times, and we're also expecting a swell of about 2.5 metres. And along the eastern coastline, we're expecting fresh northeasterly winds for Richards Bay up to 40 kilometres per hour, and a southwesterly wind settles into East London with an average wind speed of 25 kilometres per hour. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Thursday.